Alright guys, if you are trying to get into Fortnite and you're stuck in this loop where you can't, don't worry about it. All you guys have to do is go into Google on your phone, tablet, and just put in Fortnite status. You guys are gonna see that there is downtime right now. That means they're updating Fortnite. So all we have to do is just wait. So servers are not responding. That's okay. There's nothing you can do or anybody can do actually, but just wait. There was a countdown before. It's about 4 hours. So that is about what we're expecting. Downtime to be about 4 hours. I've seen downtimes. The longest one that I've seen ever before was 2 days. Never seen that after though. So that was the longest one that I personally seen. Other than that, the shortest that I've seen was 2 hours, and that's it. Usually before and the end of a season, this is what happens. So at the end of the season, there's an event. Then for the new season, there's something of an update, and then there we go. So all we have to do is just wait for the update to come. Again, nothing you guys can do, but just to make sure everything's okay. All right, so maybe the update already came out. Just make sure to close Fortnite, fully close it, and then check for any updates. And then if that doesn't work, then it's usually just downtime. But like I said, always check for these updates. So right now it says 1 second left for that update to happen. So again, always check for that. It says that it's being updated. If then it doesn't work, it means that downtime is going on and there's nothing you can do about it. So right now we can just go back into it. We're gonna see, load it up. But again, if it says that the servers are down, again, there is nothing we can do about it but wait. Downtime, again, all depends on their servers. So right now, we're just gonna log into it and then we're gonna see what happens. So once again, if you are signing in, you're trying to log into this, it says servers not responding. Same thing, we updated, at least you guys update it and you're ready to go, but there's nothing else that we can do but check for that update, try again, and then just wait for downtime to be over so we can actually play the game. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.